Hello, everybody. This is Ahmed, and this is my Sinatra project. I'm going to talk about the gamer application that I create. Um, yeah, first of all, we have our database here. It's like two tables. The gamers tables, we have the username and the password here, and the games table. It has like name, publisher, rate, and gamer ID. Both of them they inherited from active record migration. This is my schema. You can see it over here. So then we're gonna have the models, the game models. The game is gonna belong to gamer, and the gamer models has many games and has secure password. Okay, and then we have the controller. We have three control: application controller, gamer controller, and games. The application controller, as you see here, I require the config environment, require rack flash. Rack flash is for showing me an error messages, and it's gonna inherit it from Sinatra base. I did the configure block here to set a public file, to set a views, and enable session and put the session secret and use rack flash. Okay, and I have the helper, I have the current gamer and logged in methods. Like the current gamer method is gonna find the gamer and see if this gamer is the current gamer or not. And the logged in method is like um, to see if the user logged in or not. And then we have the new here, like when we get new page, first page we can see is the new page. As you can see, we have it in our views over here. Okay, then, and before we go through, I have in my configure here use the method override. It's for patch and for updating. And then I use the gamer controller and use games controller and run application controller. We did this in order to we can use our gamer and games controller and put the relationship between them and the application controller. Okay, so we have the gamer controller here. First of all, it's sign up. It's gonna show you the sign up here. So if you're logged in, it's gonna direct you to profile. If you're not, it's gonna direct you to gamers create gamer. Then we have the post of sign up. So here, if the params username empty or params password empty, please it's gonna show us like an error here with flash. Please enter your username and password and then redirect to sign up. Otherwise, we're gonna create a gamer and give it parameters like username, password, and session gamer ID equal gamer.id. This is the session. Okay, and then we're gonna redirect him. We're gonna open the profile view page. Here we get games do. In this get we can get all the gamers that register in our app, all of them. And here is gonna give us like when we choose one of them, one of the gamers with the ID, and then it's gonna show us his games, view his games, like particular game belong to particular gamer. Get the login here. If he logged in, redirect to profile. If he not logged in, please redirect to login. Then we have the post login here. Add gamer equal gamer find by username, param username, and if gamer and gamers authenticate like the password, it's like it should be the username and the password for this gamer be correct to give us his profile. If not, It's gonna say like your username or password not correct, and if we leave left one of the parameters empty, so it's gonna show us you must enter your username password and then redirect to log in. Then we have the profile here, get profile. If it's logged in, add gamer equal current gamer, and then the profile. We get the logged out here, like we just clear the session, then redirect to new, and we have the delete. We find the gamer by ID, then we clear it, the session, and then we delete the gamer and we redirect to the new page. This is delete for the profile. The whole profile stands for a game. Okay, so now we have the games controller over here. Sorry. It's also inherited from application controller. So first of all, we have create game. If not logged in, redirect to login. And if it's logged in, please create a game. Then post, we are gonna create a game here, like game equal game dot create name, and we give it like the parameters here, name, publisher, rate, and then the gamer ID is equal current gamer dot ID. This is very important. Then we're just gonna redirect to games, and then we're gonna get those games, game, the show page. If the gamer the games equal current gamer dot games, and then we can get the games by ID, like game find parameter ID, ERB game show. Then we have the get games ID, edit. We found the parameter, the game by parameter, and then we're gonna edit it. And here is the patch, the override method. We have it in our configure rule. We're gonna use it here by patch. So we're gonna patch the game by ID. And if we need to patch, we should like the name and the publisher is required here. So if we're gonna leave it empty, the name or the publisher, not it's gonna show a message like no change, please I'll field are required. Then redirect to game. Otherwise, we're gonna find the game by ID, and then we're gonna update it, the name, publisher, and the rate, and then we're gonna save it and redirect to games. The delete here is like the same thing with the gamer controller. It's also delete, but the delete here, we're deleting a game, not a profile. So we're gonna find a game by ID, and then we're gonna delete it, and then we're gonna redirect to games. So this is my gamer controller. We can check out the views right now. I have gamers view. First of all, is the new one. Yeah, this is the first thing you're gonna see in my page. And first of all, I put the background here using the background image and the URL of the image. I put the font, the color white, and then the header. Um, and here we have the class content, the color white. Also, I'm giving font and other font here. And then we have class btn group is for action login and method get, then input, and we have like another one for sign up, action sign up, and method get, then the input. Then we have the gamers, the create games. I put this one for flash error, like if it has a flash, so the style is gonna be color red and flash field error. Okay, the background image, and then same thing here, the header, and we have form for action, and we have label for name and username, and we have input and type of input, the ID and the name, and we have label for password and the input for password, and then input for the submit. And I have here from JavaScript a back button. I put it like you can go back only clicking on this button. It's gonna give you the last page you visited. Okay, so gamers have the gamers here, all gamers. I have background image. I have the style for it, like all gamers, like every gamer each do, and then show me just his game by and his username, and the same thing here with the back button. Then I have the logged in, also with the flash error, and then I have like a header for my label and inputs for each one of them, for logged in, for the password, for the submit. Then we got the profile here with the background image, and then the label like hello and the gamer username. Then like another header, and here like is gonna show you what you need to do today. Like if you want to see your games, if you want to log out, and if you want to delete your profile, all of this in your profile. Then view games. Um, this is gonna view all the games from other users. Uh, so I have background. I have like to see each gamer games. We need to do like iterate over them and get the game ID. And then I just put like the game, the publisher on the rate of the other gamers games. And we have the back button here also. So was the gamer. Now the games I have create game. Same thing with the background, and I have form, label, and input for the uh, this one for the game name, and for the publisher, and I have for the rates. Um, and I have like a submit to submit all the change of all the thing we put it there, and in order to create a game, and I have a go back button. Then I have the edit here. Same thing with the background image. Then edit game. So I have form, I have input and label for this. For the name, same thing for the publisher and for the rate. And then I have submit. Here we're gonna edit our game. We're gonna change its name and all the things gonna be here. Then here's the game. To select game to view, edit or delete it, we go to the games, and it's gonna show you all the game the user have or the gamer have. So it's pretty easy, not a big deal here. And the show, it's like body, also the background image, and we have the form input here, and the button to the submit. Um, Here is gonna show you like the game, the name of the game, the publisher, and the rate of the game, and we have the back uh, button. So this is like the inside what I have inside my code. So let's see what we have on the real page. So this is my welcome one, the new. So what is say like sign up in order to store all your games. So you can please sign up or login. So we have login and sign up. Let's sign up with a new user, and let's say it's Ronaldo. And the password is gonna be 12345 6. We're gonna sign up. So here is the profile of Ronaldo, and what we can do here, we can create a game. We can view all my games. We can view all other gamers. We can log out and we can delete profile. So let's do one by one. Create game. I'm gonna create a game. Let's say it's I don't know the part. publisher rates. Let's say it's good. I just submitted and I have this game here. So if I'm gonna click on this game, it's gonna show me the game name, the game publisher, and the rate. And I have multiple option here: edit game, delete game, and go back. So we'll try to edit it, and let's say Fortnite, oops, Fortnite, and submit it. So we're able to edit like the name, and then if we're gonna edit, like say the publisher, rate, and let's check it. So everything is changed here. And what if we just left this one empty? So when you submit it, no change is gonna be, all fields are required. And then we can delete a game and we delete it. So go back to the profile. My games, I don't have any game right now because I deleted. And then we can see all gamers that register with us. Those all the users are registered. Let's see what Christian has. Oh, he has Crash. We can do anything. We can just view it, and that's it. And let's see, Safe what has like one game. Um, let's see, Ahmed what has. He has like Outlast, and then he has Call of Duty. So we can view the gamers from here, and we can delete the profile. We can log out and then or delete profile. Let's see if the logout working, and it is working. So log in again with Ronaldo. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I put like the wrong password here, it's gonna show me an error. The password not correct. 456. Uh, so here, the last thing we could do, we can delete a profile, and voila, we delete it. So if we're gonna check like with other profiles, Ahmed 3456. Um, when we check for all gamers, we not gonna find Ronaldo because we deleted. So this was my project. I hope you like it, and thank you for your time. Bye bye.